Ever thought about upgrading your home with smart lighting and modern electrics, but not sure where to start? In this video, I'm showing you the end result of a full rewire I did myself. This isn't just a rewire, this is a full smart upgrade. Clean lines, smart control, total transformation. From a 3-gang switch to smart module in the living room, to a 2-way smart switch upstairs, and even a low-voltage isolated switch in the bathroom, it's all in here. I've even fitted a new ceiling rose light and upgraded the sockets, including a tidy new shaver socket. Ready to see what a proper smart home rewire looks like? Let's go.
I've put in one of these new style Fuseboards with the surge protection. These are the new design with the RCBO, yeah? So it's a new rewire with new Fuseboard as well. So I've put in some lights as well. I've got that one there, which is the wall lights. Yeah. Then we've got the... So what we put here was a 3-gang for the living room. Yeah, 3-gang. And this one is on a 2-way switch. The original switch was here, which is in the middle of the room. The switch today, I didn't like it. So I moved it to the back door. To me, it's like you can turn it off when you're leaving. This one happens to be on a smart switch as well. So what I done is put one of those smart switches in. So the idea is Alexa will talk. The only other one I always like to put in is a service socket. This will be on its own circuit. So anytime there's anything to be done, just in case all the rest of the circuits don't work, they will be there for that reason. Let's go upstairs. So we got a 2-gang switch here as well. There wasn't a switch here, but to me, when you come upstairs, to me, it feels like there should be a switch here. The switch that they had was just this one, which was over here on the other side of the room. So you wouldn't be able to turn it off from there. So we put in a new design. Funny enough, this light you see here, see the lights glowing from the top? She only bought it about a year or so ago. And I cleaned it off and I took out the bit of masking tape that the manufacturer left in it. She's probably going to think it's a new light. So yeah, we put 2 new sockets in here. This is the smallest room. We put in a new ceiling rose, and behind here I put in a shaver socket. Yeah. So what we've done, instead of breaking tiles, we took it to the back of the room, so there's less damage. Yeah, we've got a new isolator switch, which this one was above the bath, had no RCD protection, and in zone 1. So there's the isolator with the low voltage transformer, fitted nicely. This one here, when you go in the second bedroom, most of the lights, I managed to pull them through the old conduit all the way down to there, and then bring it to the regulation height. Hi Claudette. And I put this socket right here next to the bed. She's got this nice little dresser, which is quite tall and slim. So I put a nice USB socket there. So when she sets up herself, it will sit right nicely put your little phone and thing. This is an old socket. Yeah, this is coming out. New sockets are all at this height, 450 height, and it wasn't easy moving furniture around, but we done it. Two nice socket there for the computer and everything else. I normally put 4 sockets in bedrooms at least, and then we got the passage one, of course, for the Hoover. And in here we've got them for the bedroom, 2 here. This is where the bed is. 2 here. And I designed one here. So what happens is in here, let's get some room. What happens in here is there's going to be, the dressing table is going to go back, and the socket's going to sit on the dresser, and you can plug in a hair dryer and so on and so forth. And then I came up with this idea. Where is it? There's another shelf unit like this, which has got a gap underneath. To me, it's reaching out and saying that it wants a strip light here. So I said to her, I said to the client that Mum can have a light there, and she said I'm too old for all that. Can you be too old? She's a nice lady as well, so she's gonna have a socket there that she can sit down and pamper herself as necessary. Yeah, like I said, I pulled it through the old conduit. A little bit technical, but it worked because we had access in the hot loft, so I took advantage of that. And yeah, let me go down to the kitchen. I spoke about the Fuseboard already. Yeah. Hi Claudette. This is the new Fuseboard with the surge protection. You know, when you got surge protection in your house, you normally, when you get surge protection in your house, you normally put an extension and then you plug your computer and so on and so forth. Well, now we're putting it in the Fuseboard, so it protects everything, your iPad, your iPhone, you name it, laptops, the lot. And the price has come down a lot, so I think it's more affordable and manageable. One more. Then we came into the kitchen. I'll show you the toilet in a minute. We're not doing this till the phase 2. We're gonna put move this one. It's too close to the radiator. We're taking that off. I've put the cable ready. They can plaster, and that cable I'm gonna push it out and put some nice outside lights. Wow! To match this nice decor they got here. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep you posted on this video so you can see what's happening. Thanks.